Aruti wĩra thirikari arĩa marĩkĩtie kũhurũka mawĩra mao nĩmegũkorwo makĩamũkĩra marĩhi mao ma ritaya wona mũbango ũrĩa thirikari cia kaunti irutĩte na kambuni ya LabTrust warĩka. Riboti ĩno yerekereirio gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mũcemanio wa o mwaka kana AGM na aruti wĩra a thirikari arĩa maigithagia na kambuni ya LabTrust.
We have heard of the issues of debts owed to them by county governments, and we want to make sure that as a Senate we make sure that those have been phased out and that county governments become strict in enforcing all the deductions that are statutory every month. That is something that I've promised to take up myself and to be able to deal with.
Kũringana na riboti ya LabTrust, thirikari cia kaunti ciena thirĩ wa birioni 18.6, kaunti ya Nairobi gĩtororokia na thirĩ ũrĩa mũnene.
Nairobi is at 12.5 billion. Of that debt, it is regrettable, and this is an issue I've discussed with the governor. We have to see how we sort this out.
Obviously, you cannot remove employees from payroll before taking care of their pension, and we believe this will be done because our government, we believe, is a responsible government.
Kũringana na senator wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja, mũbango waya gũkorwo kĩoya kahinda ũngĩkarĩka nĩ ũndũ wa itũmi itiganĩte.
We need to go to the Senate and see where to find the money from. I need to negotiate with other senators. I need to negotiate with the Labour Committee. So I will not give a promise of a date. But what I can promise is that I have started on it immediately.
Gĩgũkorwo gĩgĩkeno kĩa mũruti wĩra o wothe ũrĩa ũrĩkĩtie gũthiĩ ritaya mĩbango ĩno yothe yarĩka kuona nĩ marĩhotaga kwamũkĩra kĩgĩna kĩao na ihenya. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV Wonjoria, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.